Hello everyone, it's Renee with True Path, and I'm here to do a reading and some channeling for you. So let's get right into it. You can take a deep breath. That just opens you up to your own intuition, your own higher self, whatever you need to know in this moment for your highest good only. Only divine love and light are allowed into this space with us. Thank you, Spirit. Okay. All right. What do we need to know today? Okay, I keep getting magic carpet. Yeah, seeing things from above, like flying on a magic carpet. I don't know why that's coming out, but surrendering to the magic, allowing yourself to fly, allowing yourself to go with that magical flow. Sorry. Okay, and I just had a vision of, you're kind of landing and being like, wow, that was amazing. Okay, so realizing when you're in that flow, when you're in that energy of just surrendering and allowing everything to flow magically. And obviously, we're not going to be in that energy all of the time, but appreciating it when you notice, oh, yeah, that felt great. That felt great to just be in that flow. Whether you're doing something creative or you're just allowing yourself to release control over something, allowing the process to unfold, and just appreciating that you had that experience and how it felt. Beautiful. Okay. Okay. Oh man. I don't know if I should say this, but for some of you, I don't have any experience with like ayahuasca or anything like that, but for some of you, maybe you're relating it to that experience. I'm getting some of you doing that. Like, yeah, that's what it felt like, or something like that. Yeah. I don't have any any experience with that. So okay. Wow. Throat chakra. Okay, I'm getting like allowing yourself to say what you need to say, not being afraid to say it. You know how I was a bit hesitant there to mention basically like drug use or substances. Allowing yourself to say what needs to be said. Interesting. Okay. Let's dive into some cards here. Let's do Intuitive Whispers Oracle. For overall energy, what do we need to know today? Hope you guys are doing great. All right. Overall message. You are brilliant. Ah, look at that. Peacock. Gorgeous. Sometimes peacock is like, don't be afraid to show off, to show what you're made of, show what you're capable of, what you can create, your talents, your true beauty. recognizing your true beauty. Yeah, let it shine, let it shine. Ah, that is just gorgeous. So it's a 30, breaks down to a 3. This could be a life lesson for you in terms of allowing yourself to be your true authentic self, throat chakra, being your true authentic self. Okay. And spacious mind and soul, 21, breaks down to a 3. So life lessons here. Spacious mind and soul, allowing yourself to explore ideas, getting back to the essence of who you actually are. Yes. Exploring that. Like, who am I really? What do I love? What lights me up? What do I want to contribute here? Not that you have to contribute anything other than just being you, just being yourself, your true authentic self. That is what is so valuable and beautiful. Opening up your mind, opening up your perspective, yeah, to the magic. Oh. Wow. 34, the magic of nothingness. I am always so blown away when that happens. Okay, so the magic of nothingness, opening up your mind to that free-flowing space, consciousness, oneness, that open space where we exist energetically. So yeah, and this is a 34, breaks down to a 7, which is a message directly from Spirit for me, about creating that space, creating that opportunity for you to just be. You don't have to do anything special. It's just this beingness, the energy of that. There's so much magic in that, so much magic in allowing and surrendering. Ooh. Okay. Let's do Light Seers Tarot for more info, for clarification. What do we need to know? Okay, with You Are Brilliant, you get Page of Pentacles. So this is like doing something different, starting something new, starting a new project, learning something, learning a new craft. If you're thinking like, I've always been interested in painting or something, I'm just going to try it. I'm just going to dabble. Yeah, this is just investigating something and trying it out. Yeah, you might think like, I don't know why I'm drawn to, this course or this class, but I am for some reason. So that's listening to your intuition, allowing yourself to do the things that light you up, that are authentic to you, ways that you want to express yourself. Just trying it. What the heck? Why not? With Spacious Mind and Soul, 7 of Cups. So many opportunities open up for you. There's so much choice. You get to pick. When you just open up your mind, open up to what your soul really wants. And for some of you, this can be confusion, like, I don't know what what I actually want or who I actually am. That's okay. It's okay, because we're just here to explore. Just asking the question, just opening up, like, okay, like, who am I actually? How do I want to express myself? What am I holding back? And if nothing pops into your mind, that's totally okay. You're just throwing it out there, and Spirit will eventually tell you. you'll just come across like an opportunity or something and think, oh, that's interesting, I want to try that. And then it opens up other possibilities for you. Yes. Okay. And the magic of nothingness. Oh, the star. Look at this crown chakra color here, purple. And this is Aquarius energy. This is about connection to spirit and healing. It's about wishes coming true. Allowing space for that connection to spirit. That's what's going to bring in healing and happiness for you. Connecting in with the soul version of you. We get too wrapped up in the 3D version of us, which is fine. We're here to do that. We're here to live life. But don't forget to just open up. Sit in nothingness for a minute and allow whatever messages need to come through for you to come through. Cool. Okay, let's see what else. Let's get some more. So, Page of Pentacles, the Tower. Okay, so this new like inkling I'm getting, like a little urge, a little nudge, like, oh, I'd be kind of interested in that, leads to this major change, this major, like, I want to say blossoming, explosion of color, explosion of like ideas, like it just kind of blows your mind. Like, oh, wow, I didn't even know that this would light me up the way it does. The Tower is like, it can be like an epiphany or something sudden that happens that kind of breaks down your old beliefs, your old ways of doing things. And it's just from taking this one little step. I'm just going to try this one. I don't know why I want to try this one little thing. I'm just going to do it. Following your intuition leads to this major overhaul. That's good. The Towers, to me, is always good. Yeah, it can sometimes be a little bit jarring or shocking, but it's meant to happen. Your old ways of seeing yourself, in fact, yes, the old ways of seeing yourself are completely broken down, and you see yourself in this new light. You see your beauty, you see your brilliance. With the Seven of Cups, you get the Fool. Yeah. New road. Just trying this new thing, just choosing, just picking something, leads to this whole new belief about yourself. It opens up this new path that you never even knew existed before. So the Fool is like taking a risk, jumping in, being excited about this new path. So spacious mind and soul, it's like opening up this whole new world for you. A whole new world? Is that Aladdin magic carpet? Oh gosh, yeah, someone tell me. I'm pretty sure. Okay, my kids are older, so I haven't watched those movies in a long time. Okay, with the Star, you get 10 of Pentacles, wishes fulfilled. This is like abundance, happiness, everything that you have ever wanted. And it's the magic, that magic of nothingness, the magic of surrender, the magic of letting go of any expectations. Yeah, and let's just see where this goes. Let's just try this new thing. So from the Page of Pentacles to the 10 of Pentacles, that's a whole journey in a short period of time. It's like all of a sudden everything comes together. So it's that faith in magic. Okay, let's do Wild Unknown, Animal Spirit. What do we need to know? More information, please. Dragonfly. This is your connection to spirit, your intuition, psychic gifts for some of you. But this is this star energy of just being connected in. Realizing your energetic signature. That's interesting. Realizing your energetic signature and how ancient it is. Dragonflies are like a prehistoric creature. I'm just getting being so connected in with your soul because you have opened up to that possibility. Okay, and you get hummingbird. This spark, this flash of joyful energy, of color, right? That's what I was getting with this peacock, is just like all of a sudden seeing the beauty, seeing the joy, so much abundance. Yeah, I'm just getting this like flash of insight, this flash of, oh my goodness, there's so much joy here. There's so much happiness, magic, color. It's like a new lease on life because you've opened up to what your soul has to say. And just by surrendering, taking the hands off the wheel, sitting in nothingness, no expectations. Okay, let's do one last card for final advice for you. What do we want? Okay. Sacred Forest. For final advice for you. Whatever would be helpful. Sanctuary, Mystic Meadow, 26 breaks down to an 8, which is about manifesting this. Manifesting like peace, serenity, that oasis idea of somewhere safe, a place that's just yours. Okay, I'm getting sanctuary within yourself, like really feeling comfortable within yourself, feeling so protected and connected in with Source. So taking time out to experience that stillness, quiet, nothingness, that's what's going to help you to connect in. When we're busy doing the life things and we don't take time out, it's really difficult to tune into our true essence, our soul, our intuition. It's harder to do that. And so there is so much to gain, so much benefit from creating the opportunity for yourself to just sit in quiet, like a retreat or a sacred space or just someplace in nature where you just go and just experience the magic of nothingness. Okay. All right. I hope that was helpful for you. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you again next time.